Why do 100% of your toys do the things they do? Have you ever wondered why your toy car moves when you push it, or why your toy robot lights up and makes sounds? It's not just magic. There's a whole world of science behind it. It's all about the magical world of quantum physics. Quantum physics is a branch of science that helps us understand how everything in the universe works, especially the tiniest things you can imagine. Let's explore. Imagine you have a box of Legos. You can build anything you want with them, right? A house, a car, or even a spaceship. Now think about the smallest Lego pieces you have. These tiny pieces are like the building blocks of your creations. In the same way, everything around us is made up of tiny building blocks called atoms and molecules. Quantum physics is like looking at those tiny Lego pieces, but even smaller. We're talking about particles so small that you can't see them with your eyes, not even with a regular microscope. We're talking about the building blocks of everything. These tiny particles come together to make up everything you see, touch, and even things you can't see, like air. So you know how you can spin a top and it whirls around super fast? It's fun to watch it spin and spin until it slows down and stops. In the quantum world, particles spin too, but they can spin in two directions at once. Crazy, right? Imagine if your top could spin clockwise and counterclockwise at the same time. That's what particles do in the quantum world. And remember when you play hide and seek? You hide in one place and your friend has to find you. Quantum particles can be in two places at the same time. It's like you hiding behind a tree and under the bed at the same time. It sounds impossible, but in the quantum world, it's totally normal. It's like finding your friend hiding behind the couch and under the bed at the same time. Mind-blowing. This strange behavior is called superposition. Now let's talk about superpowers. Have you ever imagined having superpowers like flying, becoming invisible, or walking through walls? Ever wished you could walk through walls? It sounds like something only superheroes can do, right? Some particles can do that. They can pass through barriers as if they're invisible. This amazing trick is called quantum tunneling. They can pass through barriers as if they're invisible. It's called quantum tunneling. Imagine if you could walk through a wall to get to the other side without opening a door. That's what these particles can do. Sounds like a superhero move, doesn't it? Quantum particles have some pretty cool abilities that seem like they're straight out of a comic book. And here's the coolest part. Quantum particles can talk to each other instantly, no matter how far apart they are. This is called quantum entanglement. It's like having a secret chat with your best friend across the playground without anyone knowing. Even if you're on opposite sides of the playground, you can still share secrets instantly. So, whenever you play with your toys, remember that deep down, there's a whole magical world of quantum physics making everything work in the coolest ways. Every time you push a toy car or build with Legos, quantum physics is at play. Stay curious, little scientists, and keep exploring the world around you. There's so much to learn and discover. The more questions you ask, the more you'll understand about the amazing universe we live in. Until next time, keep asking questions and have fun learning. Remember, science is all about being curious and exploring new things. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be a quantum physicist discovering new secrets of the universe.